Welcome to an exciting journey through contemporary American style as we introduce you to 9 captivating living room interior designs in this exclusive video tour. These living spaces are nestled within the ground floor of stunning 2-story houses, boasting expansive double-height ceilings that create an airy and luxurious atmosphere. Step inside these open-concept homes, where the living room seamlessly flows into the dining area and extends to an open kitchen. This design choice not only maximizes space, but also fosters a sense of connectivity and warmth. Immerse yourself in the fusion of modern aesthetics and American charm. The spacious seating areas are adorned with plush sofas, trendy coffee tables, and captivating wall art that adds personality and flair. Vibrant accents peppered throughout the room inject energy and vibrancy, harmoniously complementing the neutral color palette. Don't forget to hit the likes button and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration.